Let the universal set be set S. Set A and B are subsets of S. Set A contains 30 elements, and set B contains 24 elements. Set A and B have 15 elements in common. There are 42 elements that are in set S, but not in set A nor set B. The question is, how many elements are in set S? Let's first record the given information. Set A contains 30 elements, and therefore the cardinality of set A is equal to 30. Set B contains 24 elements. The cardinality of set B is equal to 24. And we're told sets A and B have 15 elements in common, which means the cardinality of A intersect B is equal to 15. And then finally, we're told there are 42 elements that are in set S, but not in set A nor set B. So if the elements are not in set A nor set B, they are outside A union B, or not in A union B, and therefore we can say the cardinality of not A union B, or the complement of A union B, using this notation here, is equal to 42. And now let's complete the Venn diagram so we can answer the question. Let's start with the cardinality of A intersect B is 15. Well, here's the intersection of set A and B, and therefore there are 15 elements in this set. Next, there are 24 elements in set B. Well, here's set B. We already have 15 elements in set B, and since 24 minus 15 is 9, there must be 9 elements in only set B, which is this set here. Next, there are 30 elements in set A. We already have 15 elements in set A here that are also in set B. And since 30 minus 15 is 15, there must be 15 elements here only in set A. And now because we're told there are 42 elements that are in set S, but not in set A nor set B, which means we have 42 elements not in A union B or outside A union B, there are 42 elements here. And now we can answer the question, how many elements are in set S? Set S is a universal set, and therefore to find the number of elements in set S, we need to sum 15, 15, 9, and 42, which is 81. There are 81 elements in set S. I hope you found this helpful.